जी के बिना। ये फिल्म कुछ भी नहीं थी यश जी के बिना, और ये फिल्म कुछ भी नहीं होगी यश जी के बिना। बट क्योंकि हम लोग जो हैं, हमें ऐसा बिलीफ है, पैम आंटी को, आदि को, उदय को, कटरीना, अनुष्का, जितने भी बाकी टेक्नीशियंस हैं, अनिल साहब, गुलजार साहब, रहमान साहब और 200 लोग जिन्होंने 1 साल से इस फिल्म में काम किया है, हम सब जो हैं अब यश जी का एक छोटा सा अंग है। और हम सब मिलकर यश जी का जो बिलीफ था, उनका जो खुशी बांटने का नज़रिया था, उनका फिल्म बनाने का 50 साल से, वी एम्बॉडी ऑल दैट। सो यू नो, we feel very responsible, and apart from that we feel extremely happy that we are part of this, and we will try and make sure for the audience, for everyone here, कि उनकी जो कमी है वो हमारे किसी भी वजह से किसी को महसूस ना हो। So we are celebrating the greatest cinema of the greatest film director in this world ever, Mr. Yash Chopra, and we are very happy that we have the privilege to do it. एक ऐसा दोस्त या ऐसा प्यार करने वाला आज हम सबको छोड़ के जाने वाला है। So, अब आप लोगों के पास आने वाला है, अब आप लोगों का वो दिल बहलाने वाला है। तो हम लोगों ने जो काम करना था, जो प्यार करना था, उसके साथ कर लिया है जब तक है जान के साथ। एंड नाउ वी आर letting the film free and allowing her, in their case him, to go out, and hopefully she is, or he is as beautiful as the kind of work we put into it. So I always feel very empty when a film is released.
बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आया so far. Everyone's liking the promos that are getting out, also the songs and everything. So I think we've been quite happy that the response has been good, and hopefully after tonight there'll be a louder, excitement.
I think hats off to the entire team of Yash Raj Films, Aditya Chopra, Uday Chopra, Pam Aunty, the entire team, each one who have gone on to create what they have. I wish you could see what I've just seen inside. The most spectacular film space that I've ever been to in my entire life. All over the world has never seen a cinema house that has been created inside Yash Raj Films. It is the most spectacular offering and the best fitting way to say the most heartfelt goodbye to possibly the biggest filmmaker this country has ever seen.
Feeling weird also, क्योंकि that day I was passing by and I saw Jab Tak Hai Jaan, and I'm not in his inner circle, but still I was feeling very weird that suddenly Yash is not there in the industry, because you would go to any function or any award function, or he was such an important part of the industry, and he was always like the figurehead over there, and suddenly of course I've worked with him in Dil To Pagal Hai, and I've done Dilwale and Mohabbatein. But I think it's good that they are doing this, because he really wanted to have a big premiere, and I think today we all are here for him.
Well, I think tonight we're just celebrating Yash Uncle. He's a director who's been there for over 50 years. He's made movies. I've personally worked with him, and he's been a wonderful, not just a director, a human being. So tonight is just celebrating him, and he always used to tell me that I should wear Indian clothes, so that's why I wore a sari.
Okay. I am expecting the kind of cinema that I always have loved and been a fan of Yashi's. He's somebody who celebrates life, he celebrates love, and I'm so happy that they're celebrating his last film. I think that's the spirit in which we all should be here, and it's a beautiful occasion. It's Diwali. It's one of the most famous and the most loved festivals in our country, and I think no better occasion to come and see a film like Jab Tak Hai Jaan. I think the name is so ironic in its own way, and so I'm here as a fan to enjoy.
I'm expecting it to be a whole lot of fun, a whole lot of entertainment. Yashi was the kind of guy who made films larger than life, but he was not a larger than life guy. He was a very simple, friendly, humble guy. I remember meeting him time and again in the canteens, and he stood in line like everyone else. He waited his turn. He sat at a table with all the guys who work at YRF. So he's the kind of guy who would want us to come here and want us to celebrate his work, celebrate his life.
It's a bittersweet moment, because I think we all miss Yash ji very much today. This is his last film. He had even announced it, I believe, that this was to be his last film. And so obviously there was a lot of expectations from this film, and a lot of keenness from every generation of viewer to watch this film. And I'm one of the people who has been waiting to see this film. So we all miss him today, and we are remembering him, and we pray that this film is his biggest success of all the films that he's made, and he's made huge successes. Let us hope that this surpasses all of them and breaks all records.
Come here to celebrate Yash Chopra, and for us, he's still alive. For me, he's still alive. I think for everyone, for every cinegoer throughout the world, he's still alive. Through his films, through his work, through his music, to his charm, he was a very charming guy, had a great sense of humor.
Yes, absolutely. I think the motto with which this premiere is happening and the idea behind the after party is that Yash Ji has been a person who's very full of life, and he's vivacious, and he was always jovial, and he was a very, he had a very hearty laughter. So I think that needs to resonate through his last film that he's done, and his films are going to last forever. But his flamboyance and his happiness, I think, is what needs to extend, and that's what we're all trying to do tonight.
Celebrate. और आदि चोपड़ा को हम बधाई देते हैं आज के दिन की ये प्रेम और उदय को कि ये प्रीमियर कर रहे हैं वो, और पैमला जी को भी। मेरे ख्याल से यश जी को ये अच्छा लगता है, और उनके गुजर जाने के बावजूद भी वो चाह रहे हैं कि एक जश्न मनाया जाए। हम बहुत उत्सुक हैं वहाँ जाने के लिए। धन्यवाद।
I don't think you ever say farewell to a person of that talent, magnitude, and what he meant to the industry. You never say farewell to him. You just celebrate him every day.
Wow. Do you agree?
Absolutely agree. It's not and never will be time to say farewell, but to celebrate him, and that's exactly what we're doing today. And he is loved, his work is loved, so while he will always remain the king of romance and always having us enjoy that sentiment and get catapulted into that world, we are here to say thank you so much for making love so beautiful and to celebrate him.
बहुत सारे emotions it's very difficult to express, but I'm really excited to see the film at the same time. There is somewhere I don't like to say this because Yaji's last film, it doesn't sound good, but anyway, I'm really good to see it.
We'll miss it. We'll miss it. I'm sure everybody around here will miss it.
अजीब लग रहा है कि आज यश जी नहीं है और हम उनकी फिल्म देखने आए हैं, और आयरॉनिकली उसका नाम है जब तक है जान। ऐसा कैसे हो गया कि यश जी ने ये लास्ट फिल्म बनाई? कोई भी टाइटल हो सकता था, बट लगता है कि ऐसा कैसा टाइटल आया, जब तक है जान, एंड देन यश जी इज नो मोर।
I would say that, of course, he was the king of romance, and whenever he portrayed romance on the screen, it's always been very beautiful, very ethereal. And today is a day to celebrate his life with love and happiness, and the remembrance he's left behind. Because everyone who knew him to be, a very happy man who was himself a romantic. And so I think today is a day of remembrance, but not with sadness, but with all the gaiety and the kind of bubbliness he brought on this day.